Yesterday we have seen basic concepts of derivative, formula of derivatives, then addition formulae, subtraction formulae, multiplication and quotient rule. Then today we will start the composite functions. Composite functions. We have to write theorem. We have to write theorem statement. If y is equal to f of u, if y is equal to f of u, y is equal to f of u is a differentiable function of u, is a differentiable function of u, y is equal to f of u is a differentiable function of u, and u is equal to g of x, function u is equal to g of x is a differentiable function of x, is a differentiable function of x, is a differentiable function of x such that the composite function, such that the composite function, such that the composite function y is equal to f of g of x, y is equal to f of g of x is a differentiable function of x, is a differentiable function of x. Then prove that, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. In this theorem we have to given y is a function of f of u, is a differentiable function of u, and u is equal to g of x is a differentiable function of x. Then we have to get composite function y is equal to f of g of x is a differentiable function of x. Then we have to prove that derivative of y with respect to x is equal to derivative of y with respect to u into derivative of u with respect to x. That is, we have to prove that dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Proof. Write down proof. Given काय दिलेलं आहे आपण, y is equal to f of u, फंक्शन दिलेलं आहे y is equal to f of u and u is equal to g of x, दोन फंक्शन दिले आहेत. y is equal to f of u and u is equal to g of x. We assume that u is a function of, u is a constant function. Then delta u and delta y, the small increments delta y and delta u are small increments in u and y respectively. Delta y and delta u small increments आहेत कशातली, y and u respectively, corresponding to change delta x in x. याला करस्पॉन्डला चेंज काय होते, डेल्टा x in x. Then y is a differentiable function of u and u is a differentiable function of x. Y is a differentiable function of u and u is a differentiable function of x. Y differentiable function कैसे है, u and u x. Then dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to dy by du is equal to limit delta tends to 0 delta y by delta u, limit delta u tends to 0, delta y by delta u, and du by dx is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, delta u by delta x. This will be definition of derivative. This will be definition of derivative. That is dy by du is equal to limit delta u tends to 0, delta y by delta u, and du by dx is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, delta u by delta x is the definition of derivative. Now also limit delta x tends to 0, delta u, हे आपल्याला थेरम मध्ये येणार आहे पॉवर फंक्शन. लिमिट डेल्टा एक्स टेंड्स टू 0, डेल्टा u is equal to, we have to write limit delta x tends to 0, delta u by delta x into delta x. ही टर्म आपण याप्रमाणे लिहू शकतो का, लिमिट डेल्टा एक्स टेंड्स टू 0, डेल्टा u आहे या ठिकाणी पण हे आपण याप्रमाणे लिहू शकतो. लिमिट डेल्टा एक्स tends to 0, delta u by delta x into delta x. Take separate limit. Limit delta x tends to 0, delta u by delta x into limit delta x tends to 0, delta x. This term is 0. Therefore, this term is du by dx by the definition of derivative into 0 is equal to 0. तर हे कसं लिहिलं आहे आपण, as this means that as delta x tends to 0, delta x tends to 0, also delta u tends to 0. Delta x tends to 0, also delta u tends to 0. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by delta y by delta x is equal to delta y by delta u into delta u by delta x. Delta y by delta u is equal to delta y by delta u into delta u by delta x. Take limit as delta x tends to 0, limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta u into limit delta x tends to 0, delta u by delta x. As we know, delta x tends to 0, also delta u tends to 0. Therefore, we have to write is equal to limit delta u tends to 0, delta y by delta u into limit delta x tends to 0, delta u by delta x. Therefore, we know by definition of derivative, limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x is dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx is the proof. Composite rule. With proof, the composite rule is dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. We have to use this theorem and solve the examples. Example given, sin of log x, sin of log x. For this example, we have to see y is equal to sine of log x. In this example, we have to put log x is equal to u. Therefore, y is equal to sine of u and u is equal to log x. हा जो पार्ट आहे टेक डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्टिव्ह टू u, म्हणजे y चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्टिव्ह टू u घ्यायचं आहे आपल्याला. टेक डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू u, लक्षात ठेवा y चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्टिव्ह टू u. या ठिकाणी या फंक्शनला u चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्टिव्ह टू x. टेक डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. या फंक्शनमध्ये y चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्टिव्ह टू u आणि या फंक्शनमध्ये u चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्टिव्ह टू x. y चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्टिव्ह टू u dy by du is equal to sin x derivative cos x, that is cos of u, and u चं derivative with respect to x du by dx log x derivative 1 upon x. Therefore we know the composite formula dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. We have to put the values du by dy by du, this value cos u into du by dx 1 upon x. But we know the u is equal to, we have to put log x is equal to cos of log x into 1 by x. That is the derivative of the function sin of log x. Sin of log x. Next आपण an example. Find derivative with respect to x. Find derivative with respect to x. Log of root x. Log of root x. आपल्याला हे जे एक्झाम्पल आहे पहा, याला आपण डायरेक्टपणे फाइंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x log of root x. We have to given function y is equal to log of root x. Therefore we have to put u is equal to root x. Therefore y is equal to log of u and u is equal to root x. या ठिकाणी पहिल्या फंक्शनला काय करायचं होतं, टेक डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्टिव्ह टू u. टेक डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू u असे ठेवायचं. y चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्टिव्ह टू u आणि या ठिकाणी टेक डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. u चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्टिव्ह टू x. y चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्टिव्ह टू u dy by du. y चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्टिव्ह टू u dy by du. log x चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 upon x, that is 1 upon u, and u चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्टिव्ह टू x du by dx. du by dx. root x चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 upon 2 root x. 1 upon 2 root x. We know the composite formula dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Then we have to put values dy by du 1 upon u into du by dx 1 upon 2 root x. But u is equal to, we have to give one function 1 upon root x into 1 upon 2 root x. That is 1 upon 2x. root x into root x, x, that is 1 upon 2x is the derivative of which function? Log of root x. Log of root x. Next example we have to see differentiate the following with respect to x. Differentiate following with respect to x. Example, root of example घेतलेलं आहे आपण log of root x. डायरेक्ट पण सोडू शकतो आपण. y is equal to log of, take derivative with respect to x. कंपोजिट फंक्शन आहे ते डायरेक्ट पण सोडू शकतो u न घेता आपण. टेक डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x, y चे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x dy बाय dx इज इक्वल टू log चे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 अपॉन, लक्षात ठेवा, 2 रूट log x चे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 अपॉन x log of root x into derivative of root x is equal to 1 upon root x into 1 upon 2 root x equal to 1 upon 2x. That is the derivative of log of root x. किंवा आपण पहिले पण फंक्शन पाहिलं होतं y is equal to the sin of log x upon sin of log x. Take derivative, direct method, take derivative with respect to x dy by dx is equal to sin into cos of log x into derivative of log x is equal to cos of log x into 1 upon x. That is the derivative of the function sin of log x. Similarly, we have to solve next example. Solved examples. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Root of x square plus 4x minus 7. X square plus 4x minus 7. Solution. Take this example as y is equal to root of x square plus 4x minus 7. Next step, take derivative with respect to x. Take derivative with respect to x. Take derivative with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to root चे derivative पहिले घ्यायचं 1 upon 2 root x. root x चे derivative काय 1 upon 2 root x या प्रमाणे 1 upon 2 root x square plus 4x minus 7 हे झालं रूटचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. रूट एक्सचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय 1 upon 2 root x. दॅट इज dy by dx इज इक्वल टू फक्त रूटचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह पहिले घ्यायचं 1 upon 2 root x ऐवजी काय फंक्शन या ठिकाणी x square plus 4x minus 7 इंटू डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ रूटचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह जातं फंक्शनचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह राहील x square plus 4x minus 7 is equal to 1 upon 2 root of x square plus 4x minus 7 into derivative of separate derivative addition rule प्रमाणे किंवा subtraction ddx of x square plus 4 constant आहे ddx of x minus 7 constant आहे ddx of 7 constant चे derivative काय असते 0. 1 upon 2 root of x square plus 4x minus 7 into x square the derivative 2x plus 4 as it is into x derivative 1 minus 7 the derivative 0 equal to 1 upon 2 root of x square plus 4x minus 7 into 2x plus 4 as it is 2x plus 4 0 What is the derivative of the function root of x square plus 4 minus 7? Function जरा सा simple. Next example. Tan of root x. Tan of root x. We have to given function take y is equal to tan of root x. Take derivative with respect to x. Take derivative with respect to x. dy by dx. Tan derivative, tan x derivative sec square x, that is sec square root x है. x ऐवजी काय आहे tan फंक्शन root x आहे आपला. कंपोजिट फंक्शन दिलेलं आहे इंटू डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ root x into derivative of root x is equal to sec square root x into derivative of root x derivative 2 root x, that is the derivative of the tan of root x. The function असे असेल root of tan of root x, root of tan of root x, y is equal to given function root of tan of root x. Take derivative with respect to x. Take derivative with respect to x. पहिलं रूट आहे, रूटचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायचं. dy by dx is equal to रूटचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय 1 upon 2 root x, 2 tan of root x into derivative of root x into derivative of root x is equal to 1 upon 2 root of tan of root x into derivative of tan of root x. tan of root x derivative काय sec square root x into derivative of root x. तीन वेळेस डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यावं लागतं. पहिलं रूटचं, त्यानंतर टॅनचं, त्यानंतर रूट एक्स. पहिलं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय घेतलं आपण रूटचं घेतलं 1 अपॉन रूट ऑफ 2 रूट ऑफ टॅन रूट एक्स. म्हणजे समजा अप्रमाण फंक्शन आहे, रूट एक्सचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय घेतो आपण 1 अपॉन 2 रूट एक्स. याप्रमाणे ही फंक्शन घेतलं, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह पहिले घेतला आपण फक्त रूटचे, या मोठ्या रूटचे. रूट ऑफ tan root x 1 upon 2 रूट ऑफ tan root x याप्रमाणे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. त्यानंतर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कसं घ्यायला पाहिजे, पहिलं रूटचं घेतलं, त्यानंतर टॅनचं घ्यायला पाहिजे. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ tan ऑफ रूट एक्स, त्याचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय घेतलं सेक स्क्वेअर रूट एक्स. त्यानंतर राहिला फंक्शन कुठला रूट एक्स, त्या रूट एक्सचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह याप्रमाणे आहे 1 अपॉन 2 रूट ऑफ tan root x into sec square root x into 1 upon 2 root x. Root x derivative. So the answer is sec square root x divided by 2 into 2 4 root of tan of root x into root x. That is the derivative of the function root of tan of root x. So here we have to given solve examples. First example, root of sine of root x. Second example, root of x square plus 5x plus 1. Third example, root of cot of root x. Fourth example, log of tan x. We have to solve these examples at home. Stop here. Write examples at home. Root of sine of root x. Second example, root of x square plus 5x plus 1. Third example, root of quote of root x. Fourth example, log of tan x.